Hello, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video, let's take a look at how do we retrieve the file's custom metadata properties that is there in the SharePoint Online Document Library using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get started. In this case, first, we would need to get the ID of the file. Well, how do we get the ID? Let's drag and drop get file metadata, which we have seen it in the previous video. So we will first retrieve the built-in metadata, which also gives us the ID of the file using the section. So let's get to the file under the Projects Document Library. Under the Service Desk Automation folder, in the Requirement Gathering folder, I have a file which is the project introduction. Well, click on Save. And as a part of a response, I would have the ID. So let's use that ID in the next action. Let's get the file properties. Site address, it's going to be the same site. IT department site, you can bring in those values also from the variable. Library name, it's going to be projects, and then we need to look for the output of the previous action. So look for a variable above, so we can see that, and now you can see we have the item ID, and that's the ID which the file properties needs. Get the item ID of the previous action, click on save, and let's run and observe how do we get the properties as a part of the response. Well, now it's getting the file metadata, and now using the file metadata we also have the file item response. So if you open this, you can see the item ID is 11. What is the title of the file? When was it modified? Who is the editor? If you go on a more, you will get that information from the editor as well. The project ID, that's the column, that is a custom column that's there in the document library. You also get the custom column. You get the document type. So even you have some references there, and if we take a look at the other, and you can see we have the document type, and document type is the choice column here. So that's the document type, and the value is the requirement gathering, that's a choice value. So if you open this mode, you will also see that you can easily get the value of the choice column as well, which is a part of the custom metadata. And you get all the other information, like if it's a folder, if there is any thumbnail, you can also get the large, medium and small thumbnail. You can see who is the author, which is the creator, when it was created, and other information. So that is how you can use the get file properties to get custom metadata of those properties, which is in the SharePoint Online Document Library using Power Automate Desktop. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video.